Okay guys, welcome back to another video, and today we got two special visitors. You got my friend that's in your face, and we got Mr. Squeaks.
Hello.
Okay. Bro, why do you have the camera?
What the flip?
Whee!
Why did I jump underwater?
Okay, we'll meet you guys at the new update. Since there's a new update in Yeep Hide and Seek.
Keyboard.
Can you please stop saying that? Oh my god. Okay, I'll meet you guys there. Bye. Open.
This is the best hiding spot. Unless you're gonna go further on that guy.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Hi.
Well, we're in the wiring update, and we're going to show you where all the Bitcoin stashes and the new promo code. So, I'll show you guys.
And we're gonna be showing you the new wild.
It's just the wild, but it's white. Okay, so let's show you guys where all the Bitcoin stashes are. Okay, so the first one is really easy. Come over here. Press
It's
this
over
button.
here. Come up here.
Then you gotta come up here.
Mommy.
Then there's one right here.
Yep,
There's one right there.
Look, I can stick my hand into it.
Yep, and then there's another one that a lot of people barely find, which is inside
I need
this
to get
store.
some Bitcoin stashes because
So you can get, there's three ways to get a red key. That one's the easiest to get a red key.
Yep.
You can get in here.
You just get over here. I know how to get
go
the
over here.
Key. Yep, it's in here.
Everybody does. And then there's a Bitcoin stash right here. And then
this is the control.
And then there's another one over here.
There's another one
if you
on
come
the top
up
of the
here.
waterfall.
If you come up here, if I can even get up here, I'm up here. There's one right here.
My computer.
You might not be able to see it, but there's one right here. Just wiggle your hand all around that.
I just found this.
This one, you have to have a purple key. Not a lot of people know how to get the purple key. So we're going to show you how to get the purple key. So you gotta come over to this specific light.
Other light.
And then you gotta hit this. You gotta hit the ceiling.
Both lights.
Come up here.
Both lights.
Then you gotta come up here. Come over here.
I completed 2 challenges.
And then up here, there's a purple key that you can get. And then you can get the red key. Ow, I just hit my head on the ceiling. And then you can get a red key. Open up this.
How did you hit your head on the ceiling?
Not the ceiling in real life. And you can come over here.
For a sec, I thought you meant in real life.
Then you can come over to this cage, put it in, get the Bitcoin stash, and you can get out. Bro, think I was missing one? No, I was missing one.
Where is Where is he? Where is he even? Where even is he?
a second. I think I missed one more Buttcoin Sash.
Yeah, you missed the one that no one can find called the purple key.
Oh, I already got the
Called
purple key one.
The one in the basement.
A second.
Basement that no one can get to.
Oh yeah, I forgot. There's
You
one.
do this,
Yeah, I forgot. I know where one is. So if you can get a red key. You get a red key. Just like that. Open up.
I got a red key.
And now that you're in here,
Okay.
come over here. Over here. And then there's one
When are we gonna go to Temporary
right over
Island?
here.
I don't
Put on the
know.
floaty.
Let's go.
You can come up
Can we
here.
go to Temporary Wilds? I don't know.
And then there's a Buttcoin Sash right here.
Please, Daddy, please.
Then
Yeah.
let's see. Yep, and that's about it. That's all the Buttcoin Sashes. Now that we already showed you how to get the red key and the purple key, we're going to show you how to get the white key. There's only 3 keys in this dimension. So, we can get the red key. And we can put it inside of here. We come over here.
Daddy!
Oh yeah, that's the wrong way. This is how you get the white key.
What did I do?
So the white key
I've been on
is right over here. Rest is fine.
at 7 o'clock.
And then there can be somebody controlling the up there. And then you gotta turn on all of these without being trapped. And you can press this one. You get a white key. Then you can just put it inside there. Then you win. White key is basically useless. Like, it's basically useless. What is...
I remember everybody's face. And they're ugly.
What's this? Ah!
The white key.
And you can... That's how you get it.
Hey.
So...
You have
I'm just gonna be chilling inside of the locked up Buttcoin Sash.
I'm gonna go build a house in Temporary Wilds. Hey, let's go to Temporary Wilds. Big Shark Banana.
Wait a second. Ah, dang it.
We already went to Temporary Wilds.
Give me a sec. I wanna try something. Real fast. Let's see.
I'm coming to it. Let's go.
I wanna
Let's go to Temporary Wilds. Ready?
I wanna see if you can bring a key to different maps.
No.
Bring
I
a key.
own keyholes. So, you want to build a science lab? Let's build.
Bro, do you have a copy and paster? You could
Yeah.
just copy.
Oh yeah, let's
Do you have the
go to
copy
my
button?
world. Yeah.
Do you have the copy button? Like, do you own it? Or like the copy button?
No, bro, what? Hey. Hey, up here.
Dang it.
All right.
Wait a second. I'm going to go copy the. Wait a second. I'm going to go get my copy button.
Okay.
I'm going. Yeah, I need that.
Oh, let's go.
Then can you get me the copy and paster too? Can you get me the copy and paster?
Hey.
Okay. I'll be right back.
You want to copy this map?
I just
Okay,
copied
let's
the
go.
whole entire thing. I just copied the whole entire thing.
Close it.
Pasting
Close
is not allowed in this room. If I try, it says pasting not allowed in this world.
Copy.
I copied it. I copied
I'm
it.
happy. Let me copy this.
Why? Okay. What? Wait a second. I think I know why. Why you can't do it. Deck? Oh, George. You have your world private. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video and I'll see you guys in another video. Cheers. Bye bye.
No, can I?